Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove background in Alight Motion. First click on this plus icon and you need to start a project. So you can decide to start any type of project. Now you can see right here background. We'll set this to transparent, okay? And let's just start this size of a project. Click on create project. And now, of course, if you want access to all the pro features, you can sign up or you can just press the X button. And then you just bring in, of course, your media. So click here on media, make sure you allow access. I will allow all the access right here. And as you can see, I have access to media. So let's slide here to the right. Let's look for an image that we can go ahead and bring in. So let's say this image right here, okay? And to remove the background, you just come here, click on effects, click on add effect, and make sure you just choose a chroma key and just select the standard settings, and you can choose the key color to remove the background. That's all you have to do. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.